pack from online book of world records. I am a world record holder. My name is Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan. I am the managing director of a company called Mastermind Power Secrets Private Limited. It is in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. I am very much super excited to open this pack. Come, let's open this right now. Wow, they have given this certificate. This is a smart certificate which is given by online book of world records. This certificate is called a smart certificate because it has NFC code technology in it. This is a NFC technology code which is hidden in this certificate. NFC technology code which is hidden in this. You can see here my name is there and my record achievement is also there. This is given by online book of world records. They have given another certificate. This is also a smart certificate. Here you can see QR code is there. In this certificate you can see QR code is there. Here also you can see my name is there and my record achievement is also there. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you.